everyone, my name is Karma Dolkar and my dad's name is Tenzin Norfa, and I'm going to be telling you the stuff my dad likes. So my dad likes Indian movies, like Indian fighting movies, and my dad likes fighting movies too. And my dad likes Bollywood people like Shah Rukh Khan and the other famous Indian people. And my dad wants to become a famous YouTuber. So my dad makes YouTubes, and his YouTubes are about podcasts.
How are you gonna help me?
What?
How are you going to help me to make it happen?
I'm gonna help my dad set up the videos and help my dad put the camera on properly, and yeah. And so my my dad likes Indian movies, and every time he watches YouTube, it's about Indian people's podcasts. And yeah, bye everyone.